This video will show you how to test your Rescu app. If you haven't already, download Rescu on your smartphone and sign up for Rescu service. Rescu is available on the Apple App Store and Google Play. Please refer back to this video or any of our other how-to videos in our Rescu video library. This video assumes you have already subscribed to Rescu on your iPhone or Android phone. If you haven't, please watch our how-to video on subscribing to Rescu. First, open the Rescu app on your iPhone or Android and swipe left or right to access your home screen. Expand the Rescu menu by tapping on the icon in the upper left of the home screen. Choose Test Mode from the menu. You will be taken to a test home screen. There will be a notification that you've entered test mode. Note that the screen is blue, indicating that you're in test mode, as well as a red test mode indicator near the top of the screen. In test mode, you may exercise any of the alert and dispatch features. Your contact list will be notified when you send a test alert, but the Rescu Dispatch Center will not receive an alert. The SMS message your contacts receive clearly states that the signal is only a test alert. When you are done practicing using Rescu in test mode, simply tap on the red X that says Exit Test Mode in the upper right of the screen. You will be asked to confirm that you want to leave test mode. You will see a notification that Rescu has returned to live mode. Please note, Rescu will automatically return to live mode after approximately 5 minutes to ensure Rescu is live and ready in case you need it. We hope this video tutorial has been helpful. We appreciate the time you've taken with us today. Check us out at rescusaveslives.com. Please subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell to receive notifications. Thank you.